Hey, what's going on? Ryan Depaul here, and today I'm excited to show you guys the AI tool made for network marketers. Welcome to myAI, the game changer in the world of network marketing. Imagine a tool that not only just streamlines your business processes, but also boosts your network marketing potential. Now, whether you're a seasoned marketer or you're new to the game, myAI is designed to catapult your success. In today's feature, we're going to dive into a how-to guide on one of our most impactful features, tailored for network marketing. Get ready to discover how myAI can revolutionize your approach and take your business to new heights.
I went ahead and I had my AI generate a social post for me. And I just said, I'm loving these amazing supplements I've been taking. So as you would expect, the first post, the one that my AI wrote for me, is awesome, right? It's totally compliant. It sounds great. It looks beautiful. But let's say, maybe I'm just kind of like the new guy on the block. I'm taking these new supplements and I'm like, yeah, that's good. But this thing, it could maybe use a little bit more hype. So let's try a different version of this post. I'm going to plug in something here, and we're gonna see what happens here and see if this is gonna be compliant. So I'm gonna edit this. So if you haven't seen this before, right, you can go and you can add it and make changes to this. So I went ahead and I came up with a couple of maybe a little bit more sizzly posts ahead of time. So here's my post. Here's my version, right? I just got involved in a new supplement company, and holy moly, these things can literally cure cancer. My friend Steve started taking these things just a week ago, and he's already cancer free. Like, maybe I have like just a little. We'll check this just to be sure that it's okay. I'm sure it's going to be fine, right? This is going to be okay. So, obviously this first one, I'm doing a little bit of an outlandish post here, but let's see how our compliance in a click can help us to make sure that we stay on the straight and narrow path and that we're not getting ourselves in any kind of trouble with our company. Not only can cause problems for you, they can cause problems for your whole company. So I am shocked to find that this post is very high risk, but more importantly, with every post, not only does it tell you what the risk level is, but it tells you specifically like what are the things that are wrong. So it talks about that this post is making a medical claim, right? The claim that medical supplements can, or that supplements can cure cancer, must be removed. It's an unsupported health claim. And you're using anecdotal evidence. So testimonials regarding the health benefit must not imply that the product can diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. So it's giving me guidance to help me to be more effective in the future. And it's giving me a new post that is going to be compliant. So I recently joined an incredible supplement company, and I'm amazed by the wellness support the products offer. My friend Steve has been using them, and he's noticed a remarkable improvement in his overall well-being. So it's going to not just tell me don't do that, it's going to actually give me something that I can do instead.
And that's how you effortlessly use this fantastic feature of myAI to elevate your everyday experience. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more that myAI can do and offers to make your life more smarter, easier, and more connected as well. Now, if you want to get your hands on myAI, what you can do is go ahead and click the link in the description below or in the comments that's pinned. Or if you want a special discount that I have the ability to give, go ahead and contact me through my socials. My number's in the description as well. You can text me or call me, or if you even just have some questions that you want to know more about this and see if this actually is real, feel free to do so, and I will be happy to answer that for you. So with that said, guys, hopefully you got some good value from this one and you actually like what you saw. Don't wait and get your hands on this amazing AI tool made for network marketers. So until the next one, take care, be safe, and be blessed.